So we have reached to the last section here, which is your footer. Now to edit this footer, we're not going to go back to the My Front page. We're going to go back to the customizer here. On the customizer, go down and select footer. It says that you could have different widgets for your footer. You can have 1, 2, 3, or 4. Currently, we have 3, which is 1, 2, and 3, or 1, 2, and 3. So if you wanna set it to 3, go to the widgets section here, and this is where you can edit them. Footer 1, which is a video, this is the video link, and this is the video. If you want to change it, go ahead and change it and give it a title if you want to. For footer 2 is this text here, which is here. Here. You can change it here. And the third one is obviously your address, phone number, and email address, which is over here and here. Last but not least, you may want to remove this bottom text here. To do that, go to your admin panel, and then under Appearance, go to Editor. Click on Editor. Click on Editor. Scroll down here, and you may have guessed it. Click on Theme Footer, which is footer.php. Then scroll down. You'll find that text is located here. Now, from my previous tutorial, I taught you how to disable or comment out this text by using that /* way. Now, this time we're not going to use this syntax. We're going to use a different syntax, which is like this. This is a way to comment out your code for HTML. So I'm going to do this, and you're going to end this commenting syntax. You're going to end this comment line with this. So this is the way how you comment out a line of code on a HTML markup. Now remember to leave your name and date so that you could easily return back to this section here to maybe to enable it back or to do something that you want. Once we are done, click Update File, return to the site, and refresh. And immediately that line disappears. But that line, honestly, it is still there. It's just that it's not visible. The only way to look at that line is to right-click and select View Page Source. If you just scroll down, you'll find that line over here. So if you really want to permanently remove this line here, if you want to permanently remove these lines here, you just have to go and delete them over here. But for now, I'm just going to disable it.